Pakistan Tour of West Indies 2025. Second T20 at Central Broward Regional Park Stadium Turf Ground, Lauderhill, Florida. Pakistan won the toss, elected to bat first. Pakistan 20 overs 133 runs lost by 9 wickets. Hassan Nawaz is the highest scorer, 40 runs, 23 balls. Then West Indies team best bowling spell. Jason Holder, 4 overs, no maiden, 19 runs, 4 wickets taken. West Indies team 20 overs, 135 runs, lost by 8 wickets. West Indies team best batting score. Gudakesh Moti, 28 runs, 20 balls. Then Pakistan team best bowling spell. Mohammad Nawaz, 4 overs, no maiden, 14 runs, 3 wickets taken. West Indies won by 2 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Jason Holder. Congratulations, West Indies cricket team.